5 minutes only, left 5 minutes, you can done already.
You go and
You
watch.
done, I also done, Charlotte.
Phone will solve the issue. No, I'm just disturbing. Okay. Yeah, my name is Terry. I'm working in a private equity real estate firm. I'm essentially a fundraiser.
Hi, I'm Jiaqi. I work with WeWork. I manage the key accounts for companies who are Southeast Asia based.
So this is located at Lorong 3, Payoh. Development name is Trevista. It is a 3-room condominium and that fits perfectly for me, my wife, my daughter and also a helper.
We actually took over the keys mid-September. It was a period where there was a limited number of workers in the market due to COVID. So we decided to plan ahead. We managed to get everything done within 3 months. So we moved in on the 22nd of December.
Yeah, auspicious date. Yeah. Before we renovated, right, the theme was dark brown, very bronze, very industrial look. It's not something that we like. So upon taking over, we decided that, hey, I'm going to maximize every inch of this house. In our mind, we always thought that this is minimalistic, but actually we realized what we like is the modern luxe theme. One of the key considerations when we first started, it was the foyer. We created the cabinet and wardrobe. On top of that, maybe we can elevate the cabinet so that we can put shoes in there with lights. I thought it was quite good looking. And then we created a recessed space for us to put our things. And the other side of the foyer, we created mirror so that we can have a final check before we head out.
So the initial layout of the kitchen was actually a long layout and an opening in the middle. But we have actually decided to hack one of the wall to have a glass facade and see-through between the kitchen as well as the living room. For the master bathroom, we have a very nice bay window being wrapped up that actually gives us more elbow space, and we request for a niche so you can hide all these unsightful bottles yet looking neat and tidy. Okay, so for the master bedroom, we wanted the bay window to be wrapped up into a nice relaxed corner. One of the most beautiful sunset you can actually see is actually also from our master bedroom.
If you ask me, my favorite spot, right, that's the balcony. I really love my balcony because it's windy. I can look far into the horizon. It is quite, I would say, de-stressing.
For myself, my favorite is right in the middle of the house. At the dining table, able to sit there, enjoy the view, and still being able to do my work. That's what I really like about it. So to me, the definition of a home must be a workplace in the day, plus a very comfortable and cozy shelter for all of us at night as well.
I should always be looking forward to coming back because of the people within, also because of the design that I like.